What's up guys, Faisal here. So finally we have our first look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 alleged press render. The Fold 5 looks good, but more importantly, it looks like Samsung is finally going to use a new hinge mechanism. It's no secret that Samsung is coming up with another smartphone launch. Ever since the death of the Note, the second half of the year is usually reserved for the company's foldable, and this year will be no different. We have already seen plenty of Galaxy's Flip and Fold 5 leaks over the last few months, giving us a rough idea of what both phones will look like and how powerful it will really be. Know if you are interested in the fabric size foldable, some new leaks have left little to the imagination. Let's start with a look at what seems like elite official renders first published on my smart price. This image lines up well with previous CAD renders shown in older leaks, prominently showcasing many of its biggest changes including the hinge. The render showcases a phone that in a first for Samsung can fold completely shut. It's been a long rumor that we'd be getting a redesigned hinge that would ditch the flying gap present on older models, and these renders seem to confirm that. Of course, we'll need to see the phone in the flesh to know exactly how it looks and feels. Judging by the image, we are also getting slightly smaller bezels along the inner display, and certainly when compared to Google's upcoming Pixel Fold. Other than this, the phone looks a lot like its predecessor, the Galaxy Fold 4. Earlier rumors suggested this year would maintain a similar design, so no real surprises here. That said, we got to see a foldable design from Samsung when the phone closes flat. If this render is to be believed, Samsung is finally making a major design change to its foldable by delivering a hinge with a more modern design. For the past year or two, other companies have moved to a water drop hinge design to achieve a perfectly flat design. The other benefit of this design is that it decreases the crease in the screen and makes the display look and feel better. Also, Samsung was one of the first to market with a foldable smartphone, has not done such a great job when it comes to pushing the cover, with many believing the company is dragging its feet when it comes to innovations because of the lack of competition. The device is expected to arrive at the latest from Qualcomm and will have minor changes when it comes to its dimensions. But perhaps the most interesting enhancement consumers are eager to see will be the device's cameras. While some leaked specifications are out there, we'll reserve judgment until they come from a more reliable source. But as of now, the phone is looking pretty good. Will it be enough to compete against the Google Pixel Fold and the rumored foldable from OnePlus set to arrive in the next few months? We cannot wait to find out. So how you like this new press render of the upcoming Fold 5 from Samsung? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoying the video, then subscribe to the channel. Technology in the future will be massive, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you the next time. Peace out.